Welcome back to Road Dog Crypto. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Lane and I am your guide today as we talk about Tectum, a hot new coin that could 100x from where it is now or more. Let's talk about it. Road Dog Crypto. Guys, Tectum is a coin that's currently available at MEXC, BitMart, SmartDex. It's also available on Uniswap, decentralized exchange, to make it a lot easier for a lot of us. Now, the current price of Tectum is now $10.85, and you may be saying, whoa, Road Dog, this is way too high for Tectum. But let's go over some of the tokenomics, some of the things that just make this an outstanding thing tokenomically that you may want to add into your bag for a long-term hold if you haven't already. If you have already, well, congratulations, you're one of the smart ones that found this a lot earlier. There is a 10 million maximum supply on this. That's very tiny, very tiny. We like that. That means number can go up big while we're attracted to this one. Circulating supply is 5 million. Half of this is already out in circulation. But wait, it gets better. Here's the cool part. Market cap for this coin right now is 54 million. That is tiny, 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 tiny. We can easily add a zero to this to make this $500 million. That would take this coin to over $100. And more than that, I think you could also easily possibly 25x your investment on this, even at its current prices. But is this the best place to get in? No. It's about to get a little bit more juicy if you catch this video in time. But in this video, I'm going to talk about where I think prices could go overall in the long range, what we might expect out of this next bull run, and then also look at some prices that you could probably find this coin, get into this project a little bit cheaper in, say, the next 4 to 6 weeks. Let's talk about the potential for Tectum. Guys, right here I am on the daily chart for Tectum, and you can see we started out here about 450, came up to about 1768. Nice, right? From there, it just slowly tumbled down July, August, September, October to these lows, juicy lows, about 355. If you guys got into this coin at that price, you need to be patting yourself on the back because you have done excellent. That was up to a 200, almost a 300% gain to almost 3.5, almost 4x'd your trade there. But now, as prices gotten up and more people are putting their eyes onto Tectum, it reaching that high about $13.70. Now we're getting a pullback. And if you can see on my chart right here, this trend line right there, we broke it. So we're going to get a pullback. It's coming, baby. It's coming. Those $13 prices, we're not going to see them for a minute, but we may see this juicy price right here. $9.71, maybe even down to about $8.40, $8.50 area possible. Those are the areas that we want to target to add this to our bag, to add this to our position, to open a new position, because this one, I think, with its tokenomics and with what it's doing. Remember, Tectum is the fastest blockchain for all industries. This is an industry play, 1 million transactions per second. Quite a nice thing. You can actually stake this. They have a very nice roadmap that they are working on right now, and DEXs are a part of that. There's a lot of building going on for this, so I think there is a lot of potential for this. Token sales, Tectum Launchpad, Tectum DEX, a lot of things that are coming later, ordinals later this year. So basically, my game plan, I have a little bit of this, but I want to add more to my bags. And I am looking at getting in somewhere between 840 to 970, anywhere through there, even all the way down to 7. Let's say that we do. This is a 618 Fibonacci level, this $7 area. We could retrace back to there. I don't think we will. I think we'll actually get a bounce around $9.72, somewhere through there at the 382 Fib level, which is a good sign for a lot more upward movement. But any bounce through here is great. Now the targets that I'm looking at, short-term target is $14.58. So let's say from 978, you take that little ride. Well, that's a 50% gain on your investment. I'm personally looking for some more higher targets. Now 1780 is our previous high, and we've got to go up there and test that. So that is on the cards for us, 80% gains. But I'm personally looking more toward $21, possibly $21.73 in that area. Now, buying at 978 or filling my bags there would give me 121% return on that. A great place for me to try to moonbag this, pull out my capital, and then just let it ride. And it's even better. And if I got in even cheaper, why, that just magnifies it and makes it that much better. If I got in, say, at 840, 60% return there. But that's not all that I'm thinking for Tectum, because I think this one's got some strong possibilities to actually reach at least $100 level. That's a 10x from here. That's just adding a zero. Now, giving everything that this new coin can do for the market and for industry, I think it's one that I know that I personally don't want to miss out on, and I'm bringing this to your attention so that hopefully you can pay attention to my little chart that I've got right here, and we will post this to our Telegram group, which is also free. Links in the description below. And we do cover this quite often on my nightly live streams. Check that out. Even if you can't watch the show, you can always go back and catch my data, and my TA is good for several weeks to come there. Can help you out there. If you found this information helpful, please hit that like button, comment, and subscribe below. That does help our channel to reach a bigger mass, and I would greatly appreciate you to do that. We're such a tiny little channel right now. Need all the help that we can get. But until next time, my friends, remember, you are in crypto at the right time to make some life-changing money. Congratulations for taking this road, and I will be with you all this way. Until next time, remember, you got this, baby.
Hey, buddy, why don't you and me, we have a little talk about the like button down here? I hit it. I think you should hit it too. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Welcome to the family.